Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Makahuena at Poipu. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi and a family rooms. Makahuena at Poipu, just half a mile from Poipu Beach and 3 miles to Koloa city center. These Kauai oceanfront apartments offer free Wi-Fi. An outdoor pool, hot tub and terrace are available for guest use. A full kitchen with dishwasher and cooking utensils is featured in each spacious apartment at Castle Makahuena at Poipu. A large balcony or patio is included. A washing machine and dryer, cable TV and ceiling fans are also provided. Tennis courts are on site. Barbecue facilities are provided for convenience at Poipu Castle Makahuena. Lihue Airport is 14 miles from Castle Makahuena at Poipu. Poipu Shopping Village is a 20-minute walk away. Waimea Canyon State Park is 30 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.